We love sous vide, but it's complex. Marinate, vacuum seal, put it in a water bath, heat it with a sous vide cooker, and move it to a skillet to sear. But that's the old way. This is Neovide, a new form of sous vide cooker. You can marinate, vacuum, sous vide, and even sear in one single machine. Say goodbye to the extras. It's a truly one-stop sous vide cooker that makes sous vide simple and easy for everybody. It holds and heats up the food with a built-in chamber, while an algorithm is designed to control the temperature precisely under vacuum. It retains the key features of traditional sous vide, innovatively without water. It offers you truly precise temperature control, as you can always have direct food temperature from the built-in probe. This is a fundamental change of the temperature control principle in sous vide. Perfect doneness gets better. Without squeezing from the bag, your food keeps its perfect shape. You can sous vide easier and better. This is such a powerful machine, but it's easy to maintain. Wash, wipe, done. You can save manpower for doing less. You can also save your budget from buying less. More importantly, you can help save our planet for not using water, banned plastic bags, and sous vide. Get a Neovide. Get a new way of sous vide. The space, refresh your cooking space.